Wanna know how to change your language in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply install and open up your Raid game and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in to Raid Shadow Legends, so make sure to watch that. So once everything is done, you should be onto this interface right here, and on the top left side, you should be seeing your profile with your player ID, just like that. So once you have created the player ID, you should be on your player profile by default, and right here you should be seeing something known as language that should be right below info, just like that. So now once you have created language here, you can see various language that you can choose from. So you can just simply change it by selecting OK, and it should be automatically changed. So if it doesn't, make sure you restart your game itself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.